How to bargain in Cantonese at the Lunar New Year flower market.
喂，靚仔，呢盤年桔幾錢啊？年桔280，咁水仙呢？水仙260，可唔可以平啲啊？200蚊啦，已經好平㗎啦，248啦，二世發好意頭啊嘛，梗係唔好啦，第二世先發，見你個人冇乜點，208啦，真係唔得啦，最平238啦，咁啊，咁啦。見你幾好傾，又有我咁靚仔，要埋盤桔420蚊啦。新年流流，最緊要大家開心，兩盤要晒468啦。嗱，一口價啦，438啦。好啦好啦，細生發，大家攞個意頭啦。喂，靚仔，呢盤年桔幾錢啊？靚仔。
Is just a general term for Cantonese people to call males, but not necessarily the other party is really handsome. Similarly, if the other party is a female, they are called
靚女。二世發好意頭啊嘛，意頭
refers to some auspicious words. Cantonese people pay great attention to omens during the new year.
見你幾好傾，又有我咁靚仔，要埋盤桔，要。
The general literal explanation is want, need. Here it is to buy.
賣
used as an adverb meaning also or together.
要賣
means buy too.
盤
is the quantifier of potted plants because potted plants are loaded with flower pots, so potted plants are counted as 1 pot, 2 pots.
梗係唔好啦，第二世先發。第二世
describing the need for a long time or even impossible to achieve. For example, I'd really want to get rich.
我好想發達啦。
Yes, but you are so lazy, it will only happen in the next life.
哦，得嘅，不過你咁懶，第二世先啦。新年流流，最緊要大家開心，兩盤要晒468啦。流流
describes the adverb of this period of time.
年尾流流
the period of the new year.
年尾流流，去邊度揾人幫你裝修？
The meaning is that it is very difficult to find a decorator at the end of the year.
見你個人冇乜點，208啦。見你個人冇乜點
is a meaningless sentence. The things described inside do not necessarily have to be true. For example,
有我一半咁靚仔
as handsome as half of me is not necessarily 50 as handsome. The purpose is only to use unrelated but relaxed words to create a favorable negotiation atmosphere.
已經好平㗎啦，248啦，已經
already plus adjective plus
㗎啦
is a common Cantonese grammar, expressing the meaning of really very. For example,
我坐的士過嚟已經好快㗎啦，我呢排減肥，體重已經輕咗好多㗎啦。嗱，一口價啦，438啦，一口價
which can be interpreted as the final bottom line price, can no longer bargain. Want to learn more? Go to our blog. There will be more detailed text explanation.